Good morning, subscribers. Yes, I'm over here in one of the Philly stores. Beautiful day today. Beautiful day. Let me turn this camera on. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, now. Yep, beautiful day. I'm here in one of the stores here. So we got the frozen truck there. We have at the far end the dairy truck. I'm doing a watermelon swap. Swap out the trailers, a watermelon. And that one there is the meat truck. So the frozen gotta wait for the meat truck. That door, that's where most of the deliveries they unload in that door. Like produce, meat, and frozen. And that last door is the dairy door, which is the dairy product and milk gets delivered in that door. And then we have another, I don't know, five bays for grocery. Yeah, so we're all waiting over here. We're waiting. I think this is like a military building over here. This over here, this building here. It's like some kind of government facility over here. Maybe it's the Navy. I think it's the Navy. I think it's a sign. It's a Navy sign. Let's see. Let's see if we see it. So I can zoom in. Oh, the sign is right there. Say anything. Nope. But hump day, beautiful day, beautiful morning. Yeah. This store is like in a little mountain, up a hill. See the cars going up and down. This is Levick and is it Levick? What's the side street? Forgot. Alright guys, enjoy your day.